the risk on risk off flip-flop continues across major asset classes. How's it, everyone? Looking at markets, it was a bit of a bounce back day yesterday, with equity starting the session a bit shaky and then saw steady improvement into the close. We saw the Dow up close to 1%, the S&P up about 0.5%, and the Nasdaq getting close to 1% as well. The main driver was once again AI, but instead of doom and gloom, there was some good news with AMD's AI chip supply deal with Meta. We also had Anthropic coming out trying to calm nerves a little bit yesterday by explaining that their AI plans are to support instead of displace. I just think right now markets are caught in the uncertainty around AI's broader economic impact, and even though there is both bust and boom predictions, no one really knows the true impact apart from speculation. So markets are figuring it out as we go right now. IBM is a great example of this, with the stock initially smoked, trading down 13% because new AI tools threatened part of their legacy stack, only for the stock to close up close to 5% a little bit later. Bottom line, it was a solid bounce back day for equities, but caution will arguably persist as uncertainties around what AI means for the future in terms of disruption, revenues, earnings, capex, labor, all yet to be decided. Now, over in commodities, gold saw a decent pop higher initially, trading back above 5,200, and then gave back some of those gains as markets learned that the new global tariff rate, which was supposedly to be 15%, is actually only 10%, so that saw a little bit of that tariff uncertainty pop in gold fade. Now, technically, we are still above key resistance around 5,100, but a break and close below that would open up some concerns for the bulls. Now, over in FX, the yen got slammed after reports that the new PM showed reservations about further BOJ hikes. Now, with the market still expecting hikes from the bank, the currency obviously didn't like that yesterday. The dollar traded a little bit more mixed. Pound saw some marginal weakness, Kiwi a little bit of upside, but overall nothing too exciting. Then over in crypto, even though tech stocks bounced, Bitcoin failed to take any comfort and continued that heavy price action, trading down close to 62K at one stage. Now, that 60K level remains a big one to watch, with many saying a break below that could see forced liquidations, so that is one to watch. In terms of the day ahead, we have Aussie CPI data coming up. Then, of course, after market, we have Nvidia earnings. Nvidia is a heavyweight in terms of the index, and it sits right at the center of the whole AI story, so this could be a big one for the markets in general and obviously for tech as well. We also have Trump's State of the Union address, where markets won't expect any surprises, but of course, you never know. For now, guys, markets breathe a sigh of relief, but it's a messy tape, so trade and risk adjust accordingly.